What's up, guys? So I went today and had my brother weld me a little bung on the front of my oil pan. He works at Midas, so he's able to use the welder. I'm going to get in there and wire brush it out and clean everything off. There's a little slag here and there, but so yeah, this is going to work. For that, we ended up having to put a little notch there. I said that was fine, so we can get to the top welds really good, and we ended up bending this up, and then we bent it back down. Since it's a metal pan, it ain't going to hurt it at all. But yeah, so he's got super good welds on it. It should work for now. Eventually I am going to get one of them aftermarket oil pans. But yeah, so once I get this thing on the car, and it is clean on the inside, that's just a little paint came off, I guess, or something. But it's completely cleaned on the inside. I just brake cleaned it and wiped her out, and getting ready to put her on, and then that would be done as far as the oil pan. I can get my engine off of the engine stand, put it on the ground, possibly get another engine on there to start building it too as well, and basically from there I think I can start fitting all the little turbo stuff and H2B stuff on it that I need to do for the rest of the setup and get it in the car. Hopefully that'll be soon. I need to send the head off to the machine shop still. I haven't done that. I'm also going to eventually, I have to ship some parts back to Brian Crower, but I'm going to get a full valve spring and retainer. Well, I've already got the retainers, but of some valve springs soon. That'll be nice. Probably next paycheck once I get some more money in. Yeah, other than that, there's not really a whole lot going on right now. I was working on the fuel system. Boy, I got some new surprises for the engine bay of the G23 this time around. I don't know if anybody has seen it, but that's right, there is a Zex kit. There's an Aeromotive aftermarket fuel pressure regulator. I've also got a K&N style double vent breather for the top. There's just a few things to the car. And I'm also probably going to switch out all the lines to E85 Teflon lines. I'm thinking about doing the E85 switch to it. But other than that, right now, today, probably not doing a whole lot other than just what I'm doing out here right now. But yeah, so I got the oil pan done. I'm going to go ahead and fit it on the engine, put the back plate on it. And then go ahead and get the engine off of the engine stand and possibly fit another engine on it to be built, and get this one ready and prepped and ready for, getting it ready for the car. So we're at that point. I need to get the head on it, but I'm thinking about waiting until I can put my head package into the head, or I should just throw it in there right now and see what it does. I mean, probably wouldn't be a bad idea because I don't even have the valve springs and retainers right now to go ahead and do the cylinder head at all. And my garage is a complete mess right now. There's car parts everywhere, trash everywhere. I got to pick this place up. I think I might work on that today. Yeah, so the cylinder head, I might throw it on, and then again I might just wait until I get the valve springs and then put them on then. I might lap the valves too. But I really don't know what I want to do yet as far as that goes. I do want my car running as quick as possible. I know if I just throw the head on it now, it'll be running and it'll be fine. But I don't want to risk anything. If I do that, I at least want to make sure the head's flat, surface flat, and then later on I can change the valve springs and retainers, I guess, inside the vehicle. I've seen a few videos where people will take air, or they'll fill them up with rope or something like that. There's another video, and they were able to change the valve springs and retainers that way. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, so I don't know. We'll get to that point when we get there, I guess. Alright, well, thank you guys. Like and subscribe. This is really it for today. I'm not really going to do a whole lot. So, alright, well, thank you.